Electric parking brake, EPB. EPB applied. To enable EPB manually in ignition on state, park the vehicle in a safe place and pull up the EPB switch. The EPB lamp in the instrument cluster and the red illumination on the EPB switch will turn on, indicating that the EPB is applied. EPB release. To release the EPB, apply the brake and press down the EPB switch. The EPB lamp in the instrument cluster and the red illumination on the EPB switch will turn off. EPB auto apply. When parking mode is engaged, EPB gets auto applied. When auto vehicle hold is active and driver unbuckles the seat belt, EPB gets auto applied. When auto vehicle hold is active and driver opens the driver door, EPB gets auto applied. When the vehicle is continuously in a VH state for more than 5 minutes, EPB gets auto applied. When auto vehicle hold turns off, EPB gets auto applied. EPB auto release, drive away release. When the driver closes the door and fastens the seat belt, vehicle is started and the gear lever is shifted to the D, R, M position. When the accelerator pedal is depressed to drive away, EPB gets released and EPB lamp in cluster gets turned off. Caution. Auto vehicle hold. The AVH is a comfort feature offered with electric parking brake. AVH is to hold the vehicle in standstill condition with the applied driver brake pressure. Activation of auto vehicle hold. Press the auto hold switch to enable AVH. The switch LED turns on in amber color. AVH telltale appears in white color indicating AVH is in passive state. While driving, when brake pedal is pressed to stop the vehicle, auto hold gets activated, and the indication in the cluster changes from white to green, indicating AVH function is active. The applied brake pressure is maintained, and vehicle does not move until AVH is released. Notice. When accelerator pedal is pressed to start the vehicle, applied brake pressure and auto hold function gets released. Auto hold indicator turns from green to white color, indicating AVH is in passive state. Deactivation of auto vehicle hold. Press the auto hold switch to turn off the function. LED on the auto hold switch and telltale in cluster turn off.